my channel. My name is Maria Isorda. I'm a clinical licensed esthetician and certified makeup artist for almost 15 years. I will be sharing my beauty secrets. Today it's all about lashes. I'm going to show you how to take care of your lashes. This would actually last you about 10 times more that you could reuse your lashes, especially if you have your case already. This actually will help you a lot for you to store them better, dust won't collect, or any bacteria, anything like that. Gosh, what else? Anything else? If you guys have any questions, any comments, please say below. Make sure you subscribe and put that little bell and say ding ding. It could tell you more about when I make my new videos. And again, can't wait to share more of my secrets. You could also follow me on Instagram at Maria Isorda. Thank you so much. Have a beautiful and lovely day and enjoy this video. Bye. These lashes are from Shu Uemura. They're my lashes that I've had for over 10 years. So what I'm going to do is I'm getting my lashes and I'm putting on top of a tissue, and I spread a little bit of the makeup remover, and then I'm actually pressing on it with a gauze just to take off the excess mascara, any bacteria, of course, if there's any glue left in there. What I'm actually going to do is, since I still have glue on the edge of the lash, I'm actually taking tweezers from Tweezer Man, and I'm actually taking all the excess glue out of it. As you guys can see, there is a little bit extra glue than what I usually put on, but taking that off is actually going to help you a lot with your lashes to be reused again. So I'm putting a little bit more of the makeup remover. I'm actually combing it out with a spoolie or mascara wand. As you guys can see, I'm reshaping it and I'm putting it back into the case, and I'm going to do the same thing to the other lash, repeating the same step, which putting a little bit of makeup remover over it, dabbing it with the gauze, taking off all the excess out, and retaking the glue out of the edge of the false lashes. You could do it with your fingers if you don't have any tweezers, but I prefer the tweezers. It actually takes it off easier. But be very gentle because you don't want to ruin your lashes by doing that. And the other step too is, again, putting makeup remover over it, just take off the excess mascara over it. And you want to reshape it as well. You want to comb it a little bit if you want. And that's what I do a little bit, just to give it a little shape, a natural shape. You want to put it back into your case. Other than that, thank you so much for watching.